Can you believe that I invited two real critics of Brigadeiros? Are they going to accept it as the real ones? Do you know what Brigadeiros are? It's this delicious sweet that you'll find in every party in Brazil. I cannot make it because it's made of condensed milk, and so it's full of sugar and milk, which is not marrying with me. So I decided to make my own party with this delicious Julians. I named them Julians because my godson was born when I created this. And it's so amazing, so smooth, so delicate, and so elegant. It's made with the most natural things, and it's only 3 ingredients. And I've been making them with different shapes and sizes. And now to celebrate Christmas, I think that is the perfect time to bring something sweet, has no sugar, and amazing full flavor. Do you want to try? Well, I do. Let's go for it. Because I think it's an added value to this wonderful sweet, I just added a little bit of gold. Well, check the links below. You can order for yourself. Go ahead. In the meantime, follow the recipe and make it all. Love it. Huh? It's so good. This is food for your soul. The inside, it's only 3 ingredients, but then you can be very creative and put whatever you want around it. I added the gold because it's rich and beautiful. And now you can start just making these beautiful Julians. First step is to soak the dates overnight. My preferred dates for this recipe are medjool dates, but I received these ones as a gift and I wanted to try them and they were really glorious. For an easier blending, I always melt a little bit of the coconut oil. I'm going to pit them. I soak them overnight. Make sure you take not only the pith, but this kind of top that is a little bit hard. For 10 medjool dates, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. The oil. Instead of 10 medjool dates, I'm going to use around 20 ajwa dates. Blend. Okay, 1, 2, 3. A little bit more. Looking good, but not ready yet. So it has to be really, really soft. Delicious. Now is looking and tasting exactly like I want it. That's it. Now it's going to rest in the fridge overnight. I'm going to need another cup. I'm going to drop sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles. They're gluten-free and dairy-free. Okay. Rose petals. And olive oil to grease the hands. It's time now to shape the little balls. I'm covering them with dark chocolate sprinkles and rose petals. They are just exquisite. Just look at this beautiful box. Special occasions, you can always add the edible gold, which is so precious. Would you make these healthy Julians? If you love this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and it's wonderful recipes that give you good health and wonderful flavors. And don't forget to hit the bell.
Maravilhoso. Delícia.
Tá bom.
Muito, muito bom. Macio. Nossa, muito, muito bom. Fantástico. Tá uma delícia. Mais 10, por favor.
Tá bom, vou buscar.
Próximo. Ó,
Cheers.
um brinde. A brigadeira da Gabriela.
Cheers.